Hey guys, welcome back to my page. So if you notice on that the first page you saw was a particular company that reached out to me to see if I can try their hair growth shampoo and conditioner. And I'm this kind of person that I just don't use product. I just don't go online, purchase product and start using product. I like to take my time. I like to do experiments before I use them. So they wanted to partner with me to see if I can distribute their new product to clients at my no new product to clients. And I've worked with a lot of clients that comes in for hair growth, and 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 most of them know, they know that I'm not the kind of person that would just use this, use this, use this, use it, use it. Whatever product that I recommend for my clients, I've used them. Okay, I've actually used them. So when this company reached out to me, I felt like I needed to make sure of because these are paying clients. You can't just do test and trials on your client. You have to be sure, 100% sure of what you're using. So in my head, I felt, because when they sent me the product, like I think a month ago, I can't remember, to be honest with you, and I wanted to make sure that I took my time to respond to respond to them when they sent me the product, because I wanted to make sure it works. So if you guys go back to my video that I did before I did crochet, I actually used the shampoo and conditioner before I did that crochet. So when I took my crochet down, I noticed my hair grew out. So when I noticed it grew out, but I was like, maybe it's just like, because I know the kind of product I use for my hair. But I wanted to be sure, and I felt like for me to be able to recommend this product for my clients, I want to make sure that this works. So I decided to cut off my hair. Cut off my hair, and I cut off my hair. I didn't want to like leave the black. I just did like color on my hair. Yeah, that's my brother helping me out. So to try this product on. So what I've decided to do is to try this product and film my process. Okay, I've actually reached out to them to see if that's my, I've actually reached out to them to see if they will send me like more of those products. Actually, this time around I'll be buying them and I'll be using them on myself, and I'll be filming them online. So I'm gonna be showing you guys the product pretty soon when I wash my hair. But I am not recommending that anybody should order this product right now. Okay, the main reason why I'm filming, this is the product, this particular one. The main reason why I'm filming this video is to make sure it works before I could recommend. And peradventure, if it works, we might go into partnership, and this product might be shipped, like might be brought to you guys. You can order them, but I'm not recommending you to order them right now because I'm still trying it out. So if it works, then we can go ahead and because I'm gonna be sending this video to them to see my process, and to see, because I asked them even before they brought this product, I asked them, does it work on natural hair? They said yes, it works. So I'm gonna be filming the process of my hair growth for you guys to see how it goes. So far so good. I kind of like the product. It's not harsh. I feel like it's a very nice, because when I use it on my hair, it feels so smooth. So we're gonna be trying this product from now as well. Thank you very much.